Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw cute cherries in Procreate. I will show you how to do this step by step from creating this sketch to the outline and filling it with flat colors and finally making it live with shadows, highlights, and textures. So you can draw this as well. In this video, I will only use Procreate default brush. If you're new here, I'm uploading cute drawing ideas like this regularly in this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below, so you won't miss any further episode. Now let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and sketching to draw the draft. Let's draw two overlapping ovals as two cherries. Then add two curved lines on top as the stem of our cherry. And now we're going to draw the leaves with some curved lines like this. Next, let's draw the face. Then add a little hand here. Same for the other one. Now let's add some decoration on the background. Then draw the shadow on the ground. Finally, I use Uniform Transform tool to resize the drawing slightly and move it to the middle of the canvas. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Also change to this dark brown color and choose the Studio Pen and inking. Then we can start to draw outlines on a new layer. Now change to this dark green color to draw the outlines of the leaves. Then let's draw the decorations. Okay, now let's use the light pink color to draw the mouth and cheeks. Once we finish the outline drawing, let's create a new layer below to add colors, and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on the layer below. We can directly drag and fill different areas with different colors. Next, let's draw the stem veins on the leaves. Now we can disable the reference function and give the background a light orange color. Now we have finished coloring. Let's start to add shadows. We can hold our pen on a canvas to get a perfect line after drawing. Let's add the draft layer now. Create a new layer above the coloring layer and change it to clipping mask. In this way, the new drawings will only appear based on the parent layer. And then change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now let's paint the shadows. Next, we can change the layer opacity to 40%. Then we can create a new layer to paint the highlights. Next, we're going to change the opacity to 15%. Then create a new layer for more highlights. Change the opacity to 80%. Next, let's add some textures for the drawing. Create a new layer here and change it to clipping mask. And change the layer blend mode to multiply. Select this red color. And choose the noise brush and the materials. Now we can draw the texture around the shadow areas. Now let's create a new layer on top and add some light yellow color around the highlights areas. Next, choose the Hue, Saturation, and Brightness Adjustments tool. Let's increase the saturation of the light yellow color. Now we are done for the cute cherries drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you next time.